Your Excellency, Bandar Seri Begawan, Haji Ahmadin bin Haji Abdul Rahman, Minister of Home Affairs of Brunei Darussalam, Chair of the ASEAN Ministerial Meeting on Disaster Management, AMMDM. Your Excellencies, ASEAN Ministers in charge of Disaster Management, Honorable Ministers from AMMDM plus China, AMMDM plus Japan, and the AMMDM plus Republic of Korea. Your Excellency, Sojiro Sim, Ambassador of the European Union to ASEAN, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Today we gather to mark a significant and solemn milestone, the 20th anniversary of the Indian Ocean Tsunami. On 26 December 2004, catastrophic waves struck our shores, leading to the tragic loss of around 230,000 lives and affected 14 countries. This event marked the first major global disaster of the 21st century and remains one of the deadliest in recent history. As we remember this tragedy, we pay tribute to those we lost and acknowledge the enduring strength of those affected. This commemoration is both a moment for reflection and a testament to our collective resilience. In the face of overwhelming adversity, our communities came together with remarkable compassion and determination. The unity displayed during those dark days facilitated a robust response at all levels: local, national, regional, and international, empowering us to restore and rebuild the lives of those impacted. The response from the international community was instrumental, providing essential aid and expertise that enhance our regional capacity to confront such natural disasters. Their contributions were crucial in addressing immediate needs, while also establishing the groundwork for long-term recovery and prevention strategies. This partnership exemplifies the vital importance of global solidarity in times of crisis, reinforcing our commitment to work together to safeguard our communities in the future. Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, in the 2 decades since the devastating Indian Ocean Tsunami, ASEAN has made significant strides in enhancing its regional resilience and disaster management capabilities, driven by the lessons learned from this catastrophic event. In the immediate aftermath of the tsunami, ASEAN leaders convened an urgent meeting in Jakarta on January 6, 2005, reaffirming their commitment to support affected nations. They adopted the Declaration on Action to strengthen emergency relief, rehabilitation, reconstruction, and prevention, establishing a framework to address the tsunami's impact and prevent future tragedies. Guided by this vision, the ASEAN Agreement on Disaster Management and Emergency Response, ADMIR, was signed in July 2005 and came into effect in 2009. ADMIR serves as a strategic framework for regional cooperation, focusing on reducing disaster risks and enhancing preparedness through measures such as risk monitoring, early warning systems, and standby arrangements for disaster relief. The establishment of the ASEAN Coordinating Center for Humanitarian Assistance, or the HAS Center, marked another significant milestone in enhancing regional disaster response. As a primary coordination agency, it plays a crucial role in real-time monitoring via the Disaster Monitoring and Response System, DMRS, and has implemented the ASEAN Standby Arrangement Standard Operating Procedures, SASOP, trained Emergency Response and Assessment Teams, ERAT, and develop joint disaster response plans. To further improve preparedness, ASEAN has invested in training and simulation exercises like the ASEAN Regional Disaster Emergency Response Simulation Exercise (ADEX), essential for refining response capabilities. The Disaster Emergency Logistics System for ASEAN DARSA has streamlined humanitarian aid distribution, and the formation of the ASEAN Military's Ready Group has further strengthened our capacity to address emergencies. Together, these initiatives significantly enhance ASEAN's ability to respond swiftly and effectively to crises. Looking ahead, ASEAN acknowledges the ongoing need to advance disaster risk analysis by leveraging cutting-edge technologies, including artificial intelligence. Our region is committed to building tsunami-ready communities through robust education and awareness programs, while also honoring the memories of past events through monuments and storytelling. Furthermore, ASEAN is focused on developing comprehensive recovery plans and establishing dedicated disaster funds and resource pools to enhance our resilience against large-scale disasters. Through these initiatives, we aim to strengthen our collective capacity in the face of natural disasters as one ASEAN, one response. Our goal is to emerge as a global leader in disaster management, ensuring a resilient and secure future for all ASEAN member states. Excellency, ladies and gentlemen, tsunamis, though rare, can be extraordinarily deadly. In the past century, 58 tsunamis have claimed over 260,000 lives, averaging 4,600 fatalities per disaster, more than any other natural hazard. The Indian Ocean Tsunami in December 2004 recorded the highest number of deaths during this period. In recognition of the ongoing threat posed by tsunamis, the UN General Assembly designated November 5th as World Tsunami Awareness Day in December 2015. This initiative calls on countries, international organizations, and civil society to raise awareness and promote innovative risk reduction strategies. It was inspired by Japan, an ASEAN dialogue partner that has developed significant expertise in tsunami early warning systems, public engagement, and effective recovery efforts to mitigate future impacts. As we approach the 20th anniversary of the 2004 disaster, it is essential to pass on the lessons learned by survivors, such as recognizing warning signs and seeking higher ground to a new generation. Many young people today either experienced the event at a very young age or were born afterward. Therefore, this year's World Tsunami Awareness Day theme emphasizes the importance of educating children and youth about these vital lessons. In this spirit of reflection and remembrance, let us honor those affected by the Indian Ocean Tsunami and reaffirm our commitment to resilience and preparedness. The wrath of nature may time and again test our limits, yet each time we rise anew, wiser, stronger, and even more resilient. Through hardship we learn, from loss we rebuild. Each adversity strengthens our resolve, fortifies our safeguards, and compels us to be even more prepared for the unknown. In this ongoing journey of resilience, ASEAN can lead, setting an example of unity and tenacity, transforming every lesson into a shield for the future. Together we can build a stronger and more resilient ASEAN for generations to come. Thank you.